enjoy your oral hygiene with this Mocel Oral Irrigator. This will provide you like really clean teeth. This is a water flosser. It's really nice. I have been using them and I wonder why I haven't used them long time before. They're very nice, and you can even use them inside the shower. Makes it super easier and nicer. This is the mouth irrigator. It's beautiful, gorgeous black color, very elegant. It comes with tips, extra tips. This is for the tongue cleaner. This is for our orthodontic tip. This is the periodical tip. Look how thin it is from the top and soft. And these are the standard tips. I'm going to use this one. You just put it and it clicks in. Comes with different settings. Soft, normal, strong, and child. Wow, pulse as well. Nice. Let's try it. You fill it up using this little opening from the back. Make sure you put warm water. Then you close it. First, we are going to select the mode and then we switch it on or off from here. I'm going to show you. Whoa! I'm going to put like the child mode. It's softer. Look at this. So when you are going to use it, you need to take it around your gum and between your teeth like this. And you switch it on. You keep your lips like closed a little bit so it doesn't like soak you. I'm going to show you. So I've installed this one for the tongue cleaner, and I believe you just choose the soft or something and then you place it on your tongue. Change the head, you press on this and it comes out, then you just place it back on. It's really nice. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.